Welcome back to my another new video and welcome to a misty morning. So as you can see, this is a misty morning. Actually, after many days, I'm going to visit my vegetable field. Actually, nowadays I'm very busy. That's why I can't come to visit my vegetable field. So that's why today I have come to visit my vegetable field. As you can see, I'm here standing in our potato field. Actually, this is our vegetable field. Look over here, that is our pointed gourd field, and I'm standing in our potato field. Look here, this is our potato field. The day before yesterday, my father has grown here some potato, and I'd like to show you the condition of our pointed gourd field. Look here, this is our old pointed gourd field. Actually we will grow some new pointed gourd plant. That's why we have cut this old pointed gourd plant. And look over here, the condition of our pointed gourd plant. Look over there, the condition of our pointed gourd plant. Actually, the pointed gourd plant has cut it, so that's why they are die in this time. So now I will show you the condition of our another vegetable field. So look here, this is our pumpkin plant. Look over there, there are two pumpkin flowers over there. That is a pumpkin flower, and over there this is another pumpkin flower here. And I would like to show you some new pumpkin. Look here, the condition of our pumpkin. This is a little and beautiful pumpkin. And I'd like to show you the another one little pumpkin. Look here, this is a little pumpkin bud. So I'd like to show you some bean plants and the condition of our beans. So as you can see, this is our bean stage. Look here, this is our bean stage, and you can see over here there are so many bean flowers. Look, there are so many bean flowers here and there. Look over there, there are so many bean flowers over there. We have also some bottle gourd plant, and I'd like to show you some bottle gourd. Look here, this is a new bud of bottle gourd. Look, this is a new bottle gourd bud, and I'd like to show you the bottle gourd flowers. Look here, there are some bottle gourd flowers here. Look, the condition of our bottle gourd plant. The condition of our bottle gourd plant is so fresh and beautiful, as you can see. And I would like to show you our another vegetable field. I would like to show you. Yes, this is our another vegetable field. You can see there are some brinjal, and over here there are some tomato plant. Actually, we have grown these types of vegetable for meeting our family need. Actually, we don't do any business for our vegetable, so that's why we grow these types of small vegetable. So thanks for watching this video, and I would like to tell you that I always try to make my video for practicing purpose. Actually, I'm an English learner, and I always try to speak in English in our village area. Actually, this is a most important thing, because without record yourself you can't develop your English speaking skill. So that's why I always try to speak in English in front of people, in front of public, and always try to make blog video. So if you want to learn English language, you have to record yourself every day and every time. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, have a good day.